All right, we got these AUXITO, I guess that's how you say it, LEDs. So we currently have some halogens in there that are just yellow. So they are going to get swapped out with some AUXITO, I guess you say, AUXITO LEDs. That's the 9005 HB3s, and they are, color temperature is 6000 K. Operating life 50,000 hours. So we'll open these suckers up and see what you get, and we'll slap them in there. These are the high beams. I already have LEDs in there for the low beams, but I don't know what they were because that was a previous owner. So in the box, get some nice white gloves because you don't want to touch the lenses. A manual, and these sweet LEDs. Little fan, integrated fan in there. So I will get a video in a bit when it's darker of my stock lights, the halogen bulbs on high beam, and then we'll chuck these puppies in there and show you the difference. All right, here's the Subaru with the LED headlights, and here is the high beams with the halogen, the yellow halogen bulbs. I mean, the halogens, obviously, they're not going to be as bright. It's got a little bit of a yellow tint because I like that yellow look, but the new ones that I'm putting in are bright white, so they're going to look pretty slick as well. So, it's easy. High beam bulb, you can see it's yellowish in there. I like the yellow look, but these LEDs are gonna be nice. So come in behind here, give a little twist, and wiggle it out. And then that comes out, see? So, like I said, you gotta give it a half turn, and then you push the back of this and it should pop right out. But these, I guess, have some grime and stuff in there, so I'm gonna get a little flat head in just to pry it up a little bit more. Be careful so you don't wreck it. Just a little prying, push my thumb. Dang, man. Oh, goodness gracious. That sucker was in there. So yeah, take that out. Get your white glove on, or gloves, plural. Take one of your new guys here. Plug it in. Shove it in there. Pretty basic. Line up the holes. Give it a push and a half a turn back in. And now that is locked in there. Thought my bulbs were yellow before, but apparently the previous owner, these headlights, actually yellow on the inside, which is cool. I like that. So new bulbs in, replace the same thing on the other side, right there. I know some people take this little screw off, plastic screw off, just to get this neck out of the way, just for easier access into there. So we'll see if I can get it. This one here, for other people that have the air dam, you need to remove that because I have the cob intake. So you got to remove the plastic air intake that sits on here so you can access that. Simple job. Show you what it looks like at night. All right, in the Subi at night here. This is what the daytime running lights look like. So daytime running lights, super bright. Turn on the headlights. Those are also LEDs, they're white. Mine have my high beams and the daytime running lights. There's like a yellowish tint. It's not the actual bulb. The bulb is bright white, but my housing is tinted yellow. So that's why it has a yellowish tint to it. So keep that in mind. I mean, these will be as clear white as these are. So this is just my regular low beams. And then you hit the high beams. It's like daylight out there. Beautiful. Super bright. Really nice. Definitely recommend it. Again, this is high beams, regular low beams, daytime running lights. But obviously you're not gonna have your daytime running lights on at night, but I just wanted to show you how bright they were. So, yep, link in the description. Check it out, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate it. Later.